In 2012, I got involved and saw the merits of it, went and got Gail Miller to help me with some money and got the design, and the rest is history. A history that has not only blessed this community, but has blessed even my own life with my grandchildren and children. So it's a great thing.
Dixie Tech's in our community. We're part of the community, and everything we do really is focused on ensuring that we can provide the best care to the people that we live with, our neighbors, our friends, our family. So imperative.
The benefit of going to the trades, right, has been huge to my family and my life, right? And I realize that a lot of kids today don't even realize trades exist.
We have all of our apprentices go through the program, and it's really helped us grow a lot of plumbers that are here in our local community.
Everybody's talking about AI, but when you get into this university, you realize that AI is not going to do all these jobs. So we need to invest in this community. We're going to get involved. We're going to help these kids.
Welding has taught so much to me. It's brought so much knowledge on to me. And really, it's made my life easier, and it's made me feel like a better person.
I was not expecting the amount of clinical experience we would get. We were quickly tossed into hospital settings and to clinics all around St. George.
So with the military, I'm a F-35 crew chief. I've been in the military for about 4 years now. Because of the education that I received here with my kid, I'm able to pass down whatever I possibly can to him.
There's more need than there is funding, so we're trying to get this funding, raise up their awareness. If you're not familiar with Dixie Tech, go see it. Schedule a meeting, go walk through the facility and walk out, tell me you're not changed.
We established a foundation, the Kvetko Family Foundation, and this is the family.
I luckily got the Kvetko scholarship before I was admitted, and it helped a lot.
We thought education was at the top of the list.
Thanks to people like them, I can be here with more confidence.
And sometimes the difference of making it happen for them and not making it happen for them is $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. It's transformational. You change their life.
They have been a support outside of the scholarship, but in my life as well.
When we have the ability to give back, it should strike a little bit of something in everyone to realize how blessed we are.
I think financial assistance is important for those that need it. I was one that actually needed it, right? Even the low tuition of $4K, that's all it was back then, right? So without that support, I don't think I'd be where I am now.
Yeah, it made a real great big difference. I have more money that I can put towards my bills and also be able to still pay college off.
I believe that we're better together when we're able to partner with our community.
We're number 1, 2, or 3 in every aspect of every position in the state of Utah in the applied technology calls world.
There's so many wonderful programs at Dixie Tech that our community needs, and we want to keep our kids close to home, so being able to meet those needs, it really impacts what we can do for our community.
Our night classes are full, and we need to build another 100 and some thousand square feet.
In our town alone, everybody needs plumbers and electricians and HVAC. Every company needs it, every building, every school. We need to have high quality plumbers and electricians in our community to help take care of our town.
Life has been going so much smoother since I've been able to go to college and learn something that I've always wanted to do.
I honestly hope that at one point I get to the point where I make enough money to open up my own mechanic shop.
Eventually, I'd also love to do humanitarian work and to use those skills to travel a little bit and to serve others in other countries.
You gotta remember, every car in that parking lot out there tonight, there's somebody that's worked an 8, 10-hour shift. And they're here at 6 o'clock and they're staying here at 10 o'clock tonight to finish their education 4 nights in a week, and then they're working 2, 3 part-time jobs, many of them.
This is a wonderful thing, and those that can see their way clear to get involved and help with this would be greatly appreciated.
A little bit goes a long way. Like I said, a difference of a scholarship could be $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000. You've just created a new employee as a welder now, or an electrician. And I know I've been banging on this, but I really appreciate giving it some thought. Thank you so much.
Dixie Tech changes lives, and it changes and is changing this community.